The new branch of Alba, legendary Spanish restaurant here in Manila. If you notice, this isn't actually open yet. Ribbon hasn't been cut, but I've been given permission to go through one special preview. At the entrance on the right, that's the deli. On the left is the bar. And what I like about this restaurant is the interiors. There's a lot of respect to its past. That's a mural of Avila, from where Senor Alba was born. Hello. Throughout the restaurant, you have paelleras that have been hand painted by the daughter of the family. On the Andalusia function room, you have the Wall of Heritage, which are press releases from Alba's rich history. And then on the other side is the Alicante and the Valencia function room, which has a really nice view of Capital Commons. And that is